Today we're reviewing a Savannah, Georgia-based heating and air company we've turned inside out, providing local residents with a helpful industry review of ComfortAir air conditioning and heating. The ComfortAir team is amongst the most respected in the HVAC industry, and their company grades out with excellent marks for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews, and testimonials. Do you live in the Savannah, Georgia area? Are you in need of heating and air services? Then call ComfortAir today. Learn more about ComfortAir by calling them today or by visiting them online. Thanks for watching.